AI is no longer optional.
But blind AI use is dangerous.
In 2026,
The risk isn't just being replaced.
it's being noticed for poor judgment.
Generic AI-sounding work, unchecked errors, even accidental plagiarism.
If you've ever wondered,
Does my CV sound AI-written?
am I relying too much on AI?
Why is my output verbose or repetitive? Or what should I never use AI for?
You're not alone. This isn't another overview of tools, not another list of prompts.
And definitely not a scarefest.
This is a focused one-to-one coaching session. AI literacy for career survival.
Built around your exact work and your real risks.
In 60 minutes, we'll solve what's blocking you.
We'll run a credibility audit, your CV, reports, or writing, and remove anything that sounds bot-written. We'll fix your outputs with precision prompting so you get clean, specific answers in one shot. And we'll set up practical workflows using tools like Claude, Perplexity, and Gemini for your day-to-day job. We'll cover risk mitigation, what never goes into an LLM, and how to spot hallucinations before they reach your boss. You'll leave with a personalized AI Guardrail Manual and outputs that match your voice. Protect your credibility. This limited time offer won't last. Take control of your AI journey today. February flash sale, 50% off.
A live one-to-one Zoom session.
60 minutes, $60. Limited weekly slots. If AI is already part of your career, book today and protect your credibility.